Hello everybody, this is Bryan Clark with Century 21 Alton Clark. Today I got a treat for you. I am looking at some new homes today and they are awesome. So let's take a look at what I'm looking at. So I'm here at Parksquare Homes and look at some of the stuff they got here. Now this home is located in Lake Mary and they are still building, but goodness, this kitchen is ridiculous. So I want you to take a look at the features. I mean, they got granite countertops. I mean, the room just kind of blows up into a big open space. The floors are fantastic. They have a bunch of really great features. Now, if we take a peek over here, the master's pretty nice also. Now, I'm walking in. This whole area here is the master. So let's start out. So we go into the master here. You have a nice little sitting area. This home is, I think, just shy of 4,000 square feet. They have ones that go all the way up to 6+, so they have a wide range. I mean, this closet is ginormous. Look at all that room. Now, we snake into here. This is the master bath, and this is really cool. So check all that out. The bathroom is really nice. I know you guys are getting jelly right now. So, yeah, master toilet, but this is like its own sectioned off area, so that's kind of the living room. Now hang tight, I'm gonna bolt over because it's got a bonus room. Now there's multiple other rooms. I'm not gonna go into every one of them because, you know, they're squares. But what I wanted to show you is, once we go around here, there's a couple rooms here, but look, upstairs. It's mainly a single story, but it does have an upstairs area. So as we creep up this way, oops, sorry for the shake. Big bonus room. Now they haven't staged this yet. I mean, the community is still pretty new, but this is perfect like bonus room or movie room. It comes with its own bathroom and it has a secondary room here as well. So, you know, you got little ones that are looking to be solo, that are growing, and you've outgrown your entry house. This is not a bad one to take a look at. So, pretty awesome. I'm going to meet you back at the front door. Back downstairs. Look at the laundry room. I mean, this thing is ginormous. And it's inside. 3-car garage as well. But one of the things I really liked about this is this little mud room. They got little sneaker places and places to hang, you know, backpacks and stuff like that. I'm going to show you in the other model where they actually have it staged a little bit, but too cool. All right, well, I hope you enjoyed that little tour. This is one of them. We're going to go next door to a big 2-story, I think it's just shy of 6,000 square foot home. That one is pretty intense, so stay tuned. All right, everyone. Hello, this is Bryan Clark with Century 21 Alton Clark, and so we took a tour of the other place. Now, this is the one that we had the training in today. This is a fantastic mansion of a house, over 5,000 square feet. Beautiful upgrades all throughout. I want you to take a peek at this kitchen. There's some really cool rooms and design elements to this place, made by Parksquare Homes. So let's take a peek. Yeah. Okay, so now, as I was telling you, look at this kitchen. Super cool. Everything's stainless steel. They got some great dark espresso cabinets with some fantastic granite countertops here. I mean, now what's really nice is they have gas appliances which can be applied. You have your dual ovens, fantastic. A quick wash sink for when you're doing your food prep, and they also have the dual deep sink here as well with the smooth surface, so you don't have that difference in top and texture, which is really nice. So, and this sits so you have a big open area and you can be cooking and having a good old time and still be part of the gang. All right, so if you remember my other tour of the other house, how it had the little cubby holes with the back, this one is decorated. So now they got the shoes in it, the backpacks, and this is really neat because this is in between the 2 downstairs rooms. So too cool. So these are the 2 rooms downstairs, and you have that little drop point there, which is nice. Okay, so now just off the main area, this is the master. So take a look at the space in here. Now, as you'll notice through a lot of the rooms, we have very tall ceilings. They have accents, crown moldings throughout. There's a lot of textures and fixtures and all that is throughout the home, which is really nice. So in here, you have sort of like your drop and powder station in the master. And then this is cool. Now, you have a 3-pronged mirror, and right across from that, ginormous closet. I mean, it's spaced. There's 2 sides, so there's, you know, one side and the other. Now, we all know one side's probably going to take up the majority of this, but there's a lot of space to give it a whirl. And then take a look. We've got another sink. This is sort of like a drop sink for extra accoutrements. And then we have dual sinks, master bath, and take a look at this shower. It is ginormous. And it's got a drop-down shower, so it has proper draining. So it's like a walk-in, so that way you're not going to have wet floors and everything when you come in and out of here. And then hidden commode back there as well. So also comes with a 2-person little heart-shaped jacuzzi too, which is really neat. Okay, so now we come upstairs. Now, one thing I really liked is the rods. And the railings is really neat, but take a look. 2 chalk walls. So this is clearly set up to be a really neat activity room. And once again, you have this little paneling to give it some texturing and stuff, which is really nice, but a lot of space for some fun. They've got a little ping pong table, additional rooms. Back here's the media room. You guys know how I love my media rooms. So I'm gonna go take a peek in here. But look at this, ginormous. So for those of you who are like myself and like to have movie rooms, bang, one is ready. Obviously, upgrade it to your liking, but this comes pretty stock full with a lot of nice additives. So fantastic layout. I mean, this is a really, really cool house. So if you guys want to know more, let me know. All right, I forgot. I was about to go downstairs and say my bye-byes, but I had to show you the pink room. This room is super neat. Reason being, look at this little alcove they've got here. So you have a room and you have a little sitting area with a bookshelf, and it is super, super cool. Really neat paint scheme in here, but it has a really nice layout, has a great bathroom, huge closet. But this, you know, I tell you, whenever a kid gets to end up in this place, super lucky. All right, everybody, I hope you enjoyed the tours of the 2 model homes we showed you today. As you can see, fantastic build quality, some great stuff. I mean, they're already 60% sold almost, so these homes are going quick. They're still got a few lots left, but not many. This is over off of Markham and Lake Mary, so very safe area, very great place to live. So if you want to know more information, give me a call, 321-239-4151. Take care, and we'll see you at the next one.